Dates are basically tropical fruits that are grown on date palm trees and one of the healthiest fruits in the world.
Hello guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel!
Hello guys! So today, we'll be sharing to you the dates inside of Saudi Arabia's mall. But before that, we will share to you some information about dates. So, dates are basically tropical fruits that are grown on date palm trees and one of the healthiest fruits in the world. The fruit is a staple item for people in the Middle East like Saudi Arabia and North America. It has a high natural sugar content and is richer in calories than the fresh fruit. It has a lot of benefits to our health since it is highly nutritious.
So guys, here are some of the benefits of dates. It aids healthy bowel movement because of its fiber content that is extremely high. It also facilitates natural labor. It reduces risk of cancer. It helps fight diabetes. It works as an anti-inflammatory agent and can protect your kidneys.
So guys, as I've told you, I would show you guys the dates inside the mall. So here it is, guys. And by the way, guys, if you did not know yet, it's Ramadan month for the Muslim. So that means they're having a fasting. And since dates are one of their foods, it has a discount. Actually, guys, there are lots of different types of dates, from cheap to expensive ones. But since it's Ramadan, they're on sale. So guys, just continue watching. I'll be back later. That's it for today's video, guys. Please don't forget to support us by watching our videos.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Bye!